In this episode of Artisan Advice, I'll introduce you to an accessory that you may not be familiar with, but one that is so helpful, the Sony Remote Commander. Sony Alpha cameras give you a variety of ways to control your cameras, including their Imaging Edge app, but having a dedicated Bluetooth remote can be really useful. Let's take a quick look at the remote and see the features that it offers. On the front of the remote, you've got 5 buttons. The plus and minus buttons allow you to zoom in and out using the clear image zoom feature, or when you're using power zoom lenses like the new 16 to 35G. It can also be used to manually focus your lens, which comes in handy when you're shooting focus stacked images. The button just below that is your shutter and record button. Pressing it when you are in shooting mode will fire the shutter to take a photo, and in video mode, it will start and stop your recording. The nice thing with this button is that you can also half press it to engage your autofocus. Below that, you've got your AF on button and a C1 button that can be customized in your camera menu for whatever function that you'd like from the available options. On the left side of the remote, you can lock the buttons anytime the remote isn't in use. Then on the right side, you can select the operation of that shutter button using the switch right here. Selecting movie will cause that shutter button to start and stop recording, and setting it to still will fire the shutter to take photos. To the right of that, you've got your zoom and focus switch, which selects the operation of the plus and minus button on the front of the remote. Now, pairing it up with your compatible Sony camera is really easy. First, go into your camera menu and to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth function is turned on and select pairing. Once you've done that, the camera will be on standby and await the next steps that we'll do using the remote. To finish pairing, simply hold down the plus and shutter button at the same time. The camera will ask you if you want to allow connection from the device. Press OK, and the menu will show you that you're paired up with the remote. You're all set. Here at my studio, I use this all the time to start and stop recording, and out on the field anytime that I plan on focus stacking images. There's some great tutorials here on the Alpha Universe channel for how to do that, and I'll likely make my own tutorial video on it in the coming weeks. I'll leave a link that has more details on the remote, including the cameras that it's compatible with, and of course pricing, so be sure to check that out. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section, and while you're there, do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We've got new videos posting up every week. Now, I think the video that you see here on the screen is one that you'd enjoy watching, so check it out and let's see if I was right. I'll see you there.